Hi, I'm Mason. Today, I'm gonna do a bouncy ball experiment. I have 4 bouncy balls at different temperatures. Let's see how temperature changes the bounce. The first ball was in the freezer all night. The second ball was in the fridge for 2 hours. The third ball is room temperature. The fourth ball was in hot water. 3, 2, 1. 1. 3, 2, 1. 1. 3, 2, 1. 1. 3, 2, 1. 1. The results are in! They were all pretty close, but the frozen one didn't bounce that high. Join me next time!
Ladies, do I have at least 2 numbers right?